Manuel L. Quezon played a crucial role in the Philippine history, particularly during the transition from colonial rule to independence. Quezon was a staunch advocate for Philippine independence from American colonial rule. He played a vital role in the negotiation and passage of Tidings-McDuffie Act in 1934, which paved the way for the establishment of the Commonwealth of the Philippines, and set a timetable for full independence. Quezon implemented various economic reforms to address the challenges facing the country. His administration focused on agricultural development, infrastructure projects, and social welfare programs, contributing to the overall progress of the Philippines. Quezon worked to strengthen the Philippines' position in international relations. He sought diplomatic avenues to secure the country's interests and promote peace in the region. In honor of Aurora Quezon, the wife of President Manuel L. Quezon and himself, the dedication of the province and its capital to Aurora Quezon is a tribute to her contributions and the legacy of the Quezon family. Known as the last Spanish garrison in the Philippines, this little church was the site of siege of Baler in the last days of Philippine Revolution. In that 337-day battle, more than 800 Filipino revolutionaries laid siege to the church where 54 remaining Spanish soldiers, unaware that their military and government had already surrendered and ceded their claims to the Philippines, had fortified and barricaded themselves in. Hanging Bridge is built for the use of the locals and not intended for tourism. But since the bridge was set in a place visually spectacular, it gained popularity. It was on the 27th of December, 1735, a catastrophic tsunami hit and destroyed the old Baler's main town. There were only 6 families survived. They ran and swam into the nearby point Baha Hill, which is now known as the Ermita Hill.